I'm dead. Yeah, I do.
Hey, they're outside by the windows. Oh, ricochets.
Where'd you get clipped from, Chaz?
It's a ricochet. They're shooting from the windows.
Hey, here's your BFG. That's what most shots from over there.
I don't have extra shells on me.
I do.
How long's the lead?
There you go. Where are they at? Fuck, where'd it drop? Chaz.
Outside.
Shot. If they're outside, that's not gonna help.
But are they really outside or are they on?
They're in those windows outside. And they might be to the left too. Here, let me get behind you real quick.
Is that your photography?
No. It's that one dude with the GoPro.
The pen is on there too.
Oh.
Fuck! What was that? Get back. Just get back over here by me.
Move over here.
Alright?
Hey, bring me my door. Bring me my door. I'm gonna get you another door. You're doing your door.
Okay, now. Oh, don't. You're still playing.
That's not gonna fit.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
The closest thing you're gonna get to a door, bro.
Dead man walking. Dead man walking. Dead man walking. Dead man walking.
Excuse me while I put this
Dead
other
man.
stuff in here.
Dead man walking. Dead man.
Dead man walking.
Dead man walking. Dead man walking.
Dead man. I got the door done.
Dead man. Dead man.
Whoa.
Don't shoot Jordan in the butt. Do we have any up inside this?
Call that shit.
Where are they at?
Outside, I think. Are they all outside?
Here, I got the board.
Are they in the room, do you know? Or are they out?
In the room, they're outside.
Okay, they're all outside. Gober, apparently. They might be respawning.
Hey, keep them pinned in that window.
Hey, if I go right here, you're gonna shoot me?
Alright, you guys need to start calling that shit.
What?
Whoa!
Wait, Travis? Travis?
Travis is right here. Yep, running right. Yeah, blind fire again.
They're going right. Oh yeah, they're in that metal thing.
Alright, hey guys, I'm starting.
You hit?
No, I'm starting. Oh, right side window.
What's that, kid?
Travis, are you up?
I'm over on the far, your left side. We got 2 or 3. We're on the outside of these doors, windows. I got one in the head. Maybe another one.
Alright, just move it back a little bit further. Here we go.
Where's that from?
One shoot to the right. Two shifts to the right. The whole team shifts. Look, right in front of you.
Hey, they're all running to the other side, Gober.
I got a position.
Hey, I'm moving. Don't shoot. Hey, a bunch of them just ran to the other side. Oh, fuck.
Dude, really?
I just hit that guy in the head, or the leg. I hit him in the leg. There's a guy to the right.
Yeah, the TDM cracked glasses. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so you guys are all dead, right?
I shot you in the ass.
Oh, I'm dead. I didn't know. I was like, I hit you for sure. If you guys all want to bleed out and go, we're good. Yeah, bleed out and go back. I hope that, hey Mike,
Fuck.
I hope you know that we're all.
Is he seriously up there? Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
You're hit?
What the fuck? I'm on a ladder. It's like a stairwell. It shouldn't count. Jordan, just call it a stairwell. Doesn't count.
Please, you're up there. You're back in.
Oh, fair enough. I didn't think about that. There's no holes on those.
It's not so bad. A bunch of them ran to the other side. Oh, you're hit?
No, he's frozen somewhere.
That's a bad choice. That's a very bad choice.
Oh fuck, they're coming. Oh, shit, my fucking bolt catch was on. They're behind that little low wall.
Oh, I can't see shit up here.
They're behind that little low wall.
Yeah, this is not useful at all.
Fuck. What the hell? Hey, Gober, you up there?
Jay Pizzle.
They're behind the low wall. You hit?
What do I do? Walk back? I'll walk back to respawn again. I'll be back.
I gotta go back to respawn. I'll be right back.
He's popping out of the left corner of it. Fuck, fucking bolt cat. Woo. He's shooting over here. Hey, watch out, he might rush this way.
That dude, like, right in front of y'all, he's dead. He's dead. Okay. He's going to take it. You have to go back to respawn.
Gover, are you up there?
Gover!
How long is this game gonna last?
I don't know. We're gonna get this little shit kid.
He's just barely popping out that left side, shooting at us, but he goes back in as soon as you shoot at him.
Why don't we just flank around then? Go around and go out the.
That sounds easier than it is.
You're the second one.
What the fuck? Sorry, I was just firing.
Medic! Andy, right left. Right almost in the shaft.
Where's shooting?
The doorway. Shooting through those little spaces.
Yeah, that's where he's at. There's one in that building, and then there's that one kid laying down. All the way down.
Where at?
It's like right where the doorway is, he's just laying down in the walkway, pretty much, all the way. You're trying to go down and come over?
Someone tried to.
How do you get over there?
What you do is, you know where they got the tires stacked up? Well, somebody wants to go with me, they can't.
We all just wanna go?
Huh?
I'm not doing anything down here. I mean, they're just fucking
Yeah.
towered over there.
I'm kinda over the stand anyway.
Yeah. After getting fucking pinned down on the roof.
I forgot, we're playing. There's 3 teams, right?
Yeah.
Say again! Blow!
The fucking Jordan.
Nah, it's,
Hey, he just got medic. He just got medic over here.
yeah, I know.
He just got medic. Yeah, he ran over to the low wall. There's 2 on it now. Hey, they're coming. There's 3 of them coming this way. There's 3 of them. We can go to the 2nd floor.
We still gonna get those kids.
I'm up for the kids.
Yeah, let's go kill them. Yeah, let's go get them.
Go up the stairwell over here.
Yeah, but I think this one only,
Are we going back up or what? There's a stairwell right over here. Yeah, it's right over here. I think it is. Well, I don't know. Right here. There's still a stairwell here.
Alright. I don't know why just fucking leaves up right next door.
Keep quiet. No, dude, that's the one we were just at.
Yeah, this leads
It's
right,
fucking smiley face I've been staring at all fucking day.
this leads right to where we were.
really?
Yeah.
Oh,
You sure?
I'm pretty sure, 'cause that definitely didn't seem like it was far enough.
I'm gonna try to take a peek real quick.
Yeah, no, because the other stairs are way more sketchy at the other place. 'Cause I came
Well,
down.
where do these come up then? Oh, fuck. Yeah, there's stairs through this thing. There's stairs this way. Sorry. See, they were out here.
They probably
Went where we were.
Bang. Oh, shit.
Nothing.
He was laying down behind that wall right there.
We're going in a fucking circle chasing each other's tails.
I say let's walk back to the respawn, and if we don't see anybody, then that's part of the game. They probably gave up. They probably gave up.
Well, if we still want to go eat, we're going to go soon.
Yeah.
Walk at them. I like it. We'll all pretend like we're dead and then there's people there to walk up and launch them off. And they can get their guns and start shooting.
Oh, someone in that room. Straight ahead. Dark room. I saw someone, but
That's probably game too, because when we walked over there, there was like, by that respawn, there was like 10 people in there.
They're probably laughing at us.
Everybody hang your guns and that's what they did.
We all dead?
Huh?
We all dead?
We thought the game was over.
Oh, no, Gover and them then went back and down and.
Well, that's what we just did, and there's nobody there. Like, I seriously think it's just us and you. That's
Well,
it.
the funny thing is, bang,
Yeah. Because we walked by the.
stairwell. Walk out.
I didn't fire.
Alright, just go.
Yeah.
Because we walked by the respawn.
They're
room.
like aiming at the store.
And to be fair, there's like 5 of us.
There's literally like 2 of them
What?
aiming at the store.
Oh, they are?
They're gonna shoot
No,
the
I
fuck
just
out
want
of
you to
them.
hold up, don't point your guns for a second.
Oh.
You just wanna call it? I think everybody's.
We may as well, I mean, it's.
Everybody's kinda spent.
I'm done. I'm on.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm fucking done.
I'm kind of tired of this now.
Yeah.
Let's call it, guys.
You'll never take me alive!
Alright, go for it.
Game!
Yeah, you got it.